How does muscle fatigue affect your energy levels? Imagine running a race and feeling your muscles start to tire. That's muscle fatigue kicking in. It might seem simple, but it actually involves many processes working together. When muscles work hard, they use energy stored inside them to contract and produce movement. This energy mainly comes from a molecule called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. During intense or prolonged activity, muscles burn through ATP quickly. If the body can't make enough ATP fast enough, muscles start to weaken and can't keep up with the effort. Muscle fatigue happens because of changes at the cellular level. One big reason is the depletion of energy reserves like glycogen and phosphocreatine. These are stored forms of energy that help produce ATP rapidly. When these reserves run low, muscles can't generate as much force, making movements weaker. Another factor is the buildup of metabolic byproducts like inorganic phosphate. High levels of phosphate interfere with how muscles contract by affecting calcium ions, which are essential for muscle fibers to shorten and generate force. Calcium ions play a key role in muscle contractions. When muscles are fresh, calcium is released inside muscle cells to trigger contraction. But during fatigue, calcium releases and reabsorption become less efficient. This means muscles can't contract as strongly or as quickly. While earlier ideas blamed lactic acid and hydrogen ions for fatigue, current research shows that other metabolites like phosphate have a more direct impact on muscle performance. All these changes make muscles less efficient at contracting, which leads to a feeling of tiredness and decreased energy. When muscles are fatigued, they requiring more effort to do the same tasks, so you get exhausted faster. The nervous system also plays a part. When muscles get tired, sensory feedback from them can inhibit motor signals sent from the brain. This reduces muscle activation and further lowers energy levels. Understanding how muscle fatigue affects energy shows how tightly connected the muscular system and nervous system are. When energy production drops or metabolic waste builds up, muscle performance drops too. This explains why you feel tired and why your strength decreases during extended activity. Managing exercise intensity, taking breaks, and eating well help replenish energy stores and clear waste products. Rest and proper nutrition support recovery, so muscles can work effectively again. In the end, muscle fatigue impacts your energy levels because it hampers the muscle's ability to generate force. This results from a mix of energy depletion, metabolite buildup, and nervous system feedback. Recognizing these factors helps us understand how our bodies manage effort and recovery during physical activity.